This YouTube channel has gone from $0 to making $500,000 in just 30 days using this new unsaturated niche that went viral early this year. Now you might think, how is this even possible? Let me tell you the story behind this channel's success. So Max started a Faceless YouTube channel 2 years ago. He used to post random cat singing songs from popular games or cartoons, but the videos didn't perform as he wanted. He only got a few thousand views, and once he got lucky, he got 200,000 views. But this could only make him a few dollars. To achieve the financial freedom he desired, he needed millions of views. Max was disappointed and was about to give up. So he thought to spice things up by mixing other animals like dogs, sharks, and mosquitoes to mimic popular sounds from phones and cartoons. But after he uploaded some videos, he got the same results. Max thought of ways to get more views. During one of his studies, he came across a Faceless channel where he discovered an unsaturated niche that was trending. Now, this is the time when the Italian brain rot animal meme were trending. The meme trended using ridiculous images of animals with other creatures, vehicles, and objects. Max got a crazy idea here. He thought, what if people need something different? While randomly watching YouTube, he came across an evolution niche video. Max saw that the evolution videos in other niches performed very well in the past, and if I make a video like that, I can get viral too. So he decided to create evolution videos related to brain rot memes. So he created his video using AI, and he uploaded the first video, and it went extremely viral, getting over 9 million views. His idea worked, but he was worried if it was luck, and would his next video going to get the same views or not. So he published another evolution video, and guess what? The video again got millions of views. Before his evolution videos went viral, he was making a few dollars only and just moving in the dark space with no destination. Since now, this channel has got 160 million views, and if we assume a $4 RPM, he has made over $500,000 from this single YouTube channel. I checked on YouTube, and there is no competition in this niche. But all the info I told you was just a theory, and when you will go do everything on your own, you will probably fail getting 200 to 300 views.
Fast. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below which tip you'll try first. This is ElevateIQ, helping you succeed one skill at a time.